Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Easy Education to learn English with teacher Shireen. Today I'm gonna teach you guys about kitchen equipment. I'll make it real easy for you. Blender, blender, colander, colander, coffee maker, coffee maker, pan or frying pan, pan or frying pan, pot, pot, wok, wok, stove, stove, saucepan, saucepan, butter knife, butter knife, mitten, mitten, teacup, teacup, sieve, sieve, funnel, funnel, ladle, ladle, whisk, whisk, spatula, spatula, can opener, can opener, pizza cutter, pizza cutter, jug, jug, apron, apron, napkin or serviette, napkin or serviette, grater, grater, pillar, pillar, cutting board or chopping board, cutting board or chopping board, baking tray, baking tray. Okay guys, we have finished our lesson for today. How many you still remember? Share it with your mom. I'll see you guys soon.